Hello ladies and gentlemen, greetings to you all and welcome to our channel. It's authentic right here. So this particular video is for everybody that participated in cPen network. So there are a few informations that I want us to look out to and potential reason that we should consider changing our wallet address from the decentralized exchange that was submitted earlier to the centralized exchange where they are going to list it. Alright, so if you know you participated in this project called cPen, then stick around this video as we are going to navigate the whole process one after the other. Okay, so without no much further ado, let's first of all check a few announcements that the cPen core team made in a few days. So let's head straight to the announcement section. Then we are going to start from this particular one that they made 3 days ago. Okay, and let's see what they talked about there. They say, hey cPen network, we are thrilled to announce that cPen will officially be listed on Bitmart in early April. Exact date coming soon. This achievement showcases the dedication of both teams and the amazing support from our community. Special thanks to our listing partner, Boomtech Zone. Then this is just for people that don't really have the cPen network. You can just the Bitmart Exchange. Sorry, you can just sign up right here. So they move on and said, in addition to your Desk wallet, you now have an option. Simply enter your Bitmart wallet address into your cPen wallet, and tokens will be delivered directly there. Thanks for your incredible support. Stay tuned. Okay, so this particular post was made 3 days ago. Then let's look at this particular one also. This particular one was made 3 days ago as well. So they said, hey cPen network, since announcing our Bitmart partnership, we've received a lot of valuable feedback. Here are some important clarifications. You can keep your existing Desk BLC wallet address in the cPen app. They move on and said, alternatively, you can enter your Bitmart BNB receive address instead. So you bookmark this alternatively, okay? Only one wallet address can be used at a time. cPen token mining ended on March 1st. We are now mining Inc. Haven't joined yet, start here. Thanks for your continued support and feedback. Okay, so now there are a few points I want us to pick from this particular post, these two posts. So this particular one was just made 3 hours ago about Bitmart /cPen listing, which is a campaign. They are already a campaign right here for people that will be withdrawing with Bitmart Exchange. So this is where you join Bitmart, and this is where we check the campaign. So I'll still advise us to join this campaign. You click on here that they wrote join now. Let's just see what is in the form and see what they require from us to do. Okay, so this is not the major reason of doing this, but let's just navigate it. They say Bitmart cPen drop and trading competition of $100,000 USDT Euro CSI Brazil special blah blah blah. So all this information don't really concern us. What they really need here is for you to provide your Bitmart user ID. Then you click on have you deposited token into Bitmart? Just choose yes. Do you agree with terms and conditions? Choose yes, then submit. Then you are in for the campaign. Okay, all right, so now let's come back to the main story right here. Okay, so they are now telling us that alternatively we have the option to impute. Sorry guys, I really have a network glitch right here. Let me go back to the cPen app. All right, it's coming up. So they are now telling us that alternatively we can now submit the BSC wallet address from our Bitmart exchange, right? Thereby changing the first one that we submitted, the decentralized one we submitted. A lot of us submitted from our, let's say, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and so on and so forth, right? So if you click on this wallet section, you scroll up, you will see the previous address that you submitted from your decentralized. So now we have this particular option to remove it and put the one from our Bitmart exchange. Now, these are my reasons now, because I'm going to be changing my own at the ending part of this video, and these are my reasons. Number one, the way I'm seeing cPen listing, I don't really think if they are going to add more exchanges. They may probably list on only Bitmart from the listing date, then along the line they can add more exchanges. But if at all they were able to provide options for more exchanges before the listing, if we still have the alternative to change address, you can still go ahead and do that. That is if you still have the alternative, right? That is the first thing. But now, for you to receive your token in your decentralized exchange, you are going to be needing some amount of, let's say, gas fee to transfer it out from the decentralized to the centralized on the listing dates, which will cost you some amount of BNB as gas fee. So we don't even really know how far this coin is going to do, thereby spending our hard-earned tokens just to receive it and send it to the exchange. That is the second layer. And third one, before you can be able to send it out from a decentralized to a centralized exchange, the coin must have been listed for some times. Some will even take like days before they will open the decentralized portal for you to send to exchanges, or it will take some hours. This is exactly what happened to a lot of people during MIMFI listing. Because MIMFI didn't give any option to receive your token in centralized exchange. Everybody receiving their desk. So before you can be able to send to centralized, a lot of people have already dumped the coin, right? Thereby selling at a loss, right? So now, receiving direct to your Bitmart exchange will give you the option to sell off immediately it is listed. That is, if you really want to sell, that is another thing for you to be among the first people that will sell your tokens, right? Without any issue or any traffic or any hassle, right? That's another reason. And I think with this just points, let's just say with these few points, I would just advise us that we should just go ahead and submit our Bitmart exchange, right? Our Bitmart BSC address, and just receive our token in the exchange directly on the day of listing without any story, without any stress, and so on and so forth, right? So I think that is just exactly the best way to do that, right? That's just the best way to go about stuffs like this. Okay, so I'm just heading straight to my Bitmart exchange, and I will provide my my BSC wallet address. So if you don't have Bitmart exchange, I'm going to be leaving the link to Bitmart exchange in the description section and comment section of this video. All you have to do is just for you to tap on it, sign up, and do your verification. It is very, very simple to do your Bitmart verification. So once you're in your Bitmart, you come to assets right here, change it to spot trade, which is spot over here. Then click on deposit. Then choose BNB right here. Okay, choose BNB, is under hot. Click on BNB. Then you choose this first one that says BLC BNB Smart Chain BEP 20. Okay, tap on it. Then click on confirm. Okay. Then you copy your address as simple as ABC. Then you head back to the bot. You head back to the, let's say, cPen bot. Then you click on remove right here. Then you enter the one that you just copied. As simple as that. Just paste it like this. Enter it. Then click on save. You can see success, wallet address saved. So now once they get listed, or before they get listed, you are now going to receive your cPen token in the Bitmart exchange immediately. Then if you really want to sell out immediately, you can sell out immediately at listing price without any stress, without any traffic, without wanting to waste any BNB or stuff like that. So this is just the hassle-free, easiest way that you should go about this particular upcoming listing of cPen, alright? And that is just all I really want to share with you guys in this video. So I would advise everybody to quickly go now and change their wallet address, because initially I've given it thought that we should just receive it in our desk and stuff like that. But comparing the both, I know that I now found out that we have more chance to make these changes right now that we have the time and stay out of stress or anything come the listing of cPen. So we just have to stay tuned and wait for any updates that will come our way. So do well to change your wallet address immediately after watching this video with these few points of mine. But if you are interested in leaving it there, because a lot of people may not even know how to swap on desk. So but if you really want to receive your own in desk, I think you can still go ahead and forget about changing it. But if you want to sell on the day of listing, or you want to receive it in your centralized exchange and be early for anything that will happen on the day of listing, I will advise you to follow this prompt and change your address immediately. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. If you really found value right here, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, comment on this post, and share this video so that it will reach a wider range of people. And if it is the first time coming across our channel, do well to subscribe and turn on the bell notification. And to all our returning subscribers, thank you all and God bless. Till I come your way next time, stay safe, keep winning, and enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Bye for now.